what's up? It's your girl Frida Rhymes, the one and only side chick, and you are watching OdarteyGH TV. Don't go nowhere. Mwah.
Hi guys, welcome back to OdarteyGH TV, and we are live at the Holy Trinity Spa. And as you already know, I've always been your host, OdarteyGH, and I've caught up with a birthday man who is an actor, and he's called Anthony Wood. Anthony Wood, welcome back to OdarteyGH TV.
Charlie, thanks, brother.
Charlie, how's the birthday going?
Charlie, the birthday. See, I'm just replying messages right now. Like, the love is
Charlie,
massive.
All right.
And people are, Charlie, wishing me from left to right, from north to south, everywhere. And it's amazing, and I feel blessed. I feel that people are really noticing what I'm doing and appreciating the fact that I'm doing what I'm doing and I'm still pushing. I love you guys, and Charlie, I love you so much.
All right, before we continue with this, let me sing a happy birthday to Anthony Wood. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, great. So we are at the Holy Trinity Spa.
Yeah.
Upon arrival, what has been going through your mind?
I have been wondering why I have never thought of going on a vacation or going somewhere to stay for a while and then take off stress. And I've been wondering, there's this beautiful place in Ghana, and I haven't even thought of coming to spend some time here. I've never been here before. This is my first time.
Wow.
You're getting here from the gate, entering, the way people welcome you. You see a lot of beautiful places. The scenery here is so amazing. It's so good for thinking, good for relaxation, and I'm so amazed. I'm so amazed. Trust me.
Wow. So have you checked the room? How is the room like?
When I got in and we got to a room, when I got to my room, I just realized that, Charlie, this place is not the fact that, okay, it is out of town, so maybe it doesn't have a class or a touch. It's so beautiful, the AC will freeze you. And the bathroom, the bed, everything is amazing. They have the crocodile park. I went there and I saw the crocodile. When I got there first, I was like, okay, these are not real. They are just some acts, because they were freestyle way. So I was wondering, and then I threw a stone.
Hey!
And the movement, I was like, wow.
You gave him more.
Yeah, it was scary. I was like, Charlie. But then, and then we have rabbits around. They are so beautiful, nice colors, white and pink. I've seen a pink rabbit before.
No, I've never seen a pink rabbit.
And I saw guinea fowl. I've not seen a guinea fowl. The last time I saw a guinea fowl was way back in junior high school, when we went to the zoo, Accra Zoo, to go and see all those stuff. And it's amazing stuff here. There's a bike. If you know you can walk and you can ride a bike, you are free. Charlie, take the bike, go around, just go to where you want to go without even having to walk. There is this small van, like this keke or whatever, that can take you around.
Very popular in Nigeria.
Very popular in Nigeria. It can just take you around here. And the rooms have amazing names. Christian names of cities around the world. It just makes it beautiful.
What's the name of your room?
The name of my room is Abeokuta. That's a town, a city in Nigeria.
And the name of my room is Mina.
I
was like, this is a ladies' room.
So when I entered my room, I said, oh God, I'm in Nigeria.
Yeah, of course.
Lagos, I'm in Nigeria. Abeokuta. So Holy Trinity Spa is a very amazing place. They have the spa, they have the lab, they have the club. Okay, it's an amazing place to be. If you've not been here before, I'm telling you now, pass through Holy Trinity Spa. Spend your weekend here with your loved ones, with family, even with just you. Just come, have fun. There's buffet, there's food. Charlie, you just have to come, dish out whatever you want, and just eat. Have fun. Just try and come to Holy Trinity Spa and then have a nice time.
Okay, talking about food, what was the first meal that you took upon arrival?
Fufu with light soup and goat meat with tuna, and then I took tilapia.
Hey, You took all the meat.
I took all the meat, man. I even wanted more, but after eating, I was like, wow, this is delicious. I wanted to go in for more, but hey, the belly is full. So I didn't go, but the food is sweet. And trust me, the next day, I went in for wache. The wache.
Wow.
The wache is nice, and it's so amazing. I'm wondering whether they add something to their milk. It's so sweet. I don't know, like everything here is beautiful. You know, everything here is beautiful. This is a beautiful place.
But is this place a place you intend to have a honeymoon, or recommend for someone to have a honeymoon here?
I would recommend this for everybody. This is a nice getaway place where you can have your honeymoon. Just boat riding. There's a lot of places you can be. There's club. There are other resort areas where there's a pool. You know, there's a cinema. I didn't even talk about that. There's a cinema here. You know, there's a b-ball court, there's a football pitch, there's everything. See, anything you can think of that can make you happy, fun is here.
All right, great. Talking about cinema and also you being an actor, what's up with you in the movie industry?
Well, by grace, things are going as expected. God has been good. This year has been an amazing year for me. I've been opportune to feature in a number of Ghanaian films.
That's nice.
And I'm hopeful that by next year, and then my movies are going to be premiered back to back. I've done a film with Venus. There's a series, a new series.
That's good.
I was paired with Christabel Eke, Rosalind Giza, Beverly Faglo, and I played the lead with all these beautiful ladies and these talented actors. And recently I am going on another job with Venus, which also has the big names in it. And there's a movie premiere that's coming on July, on the 19th of October. And there are greater things coming. The industry is beginning to boom, and I'm so excited. And people are beginning to want to reinvest into the industry, and I'm so amazed. And I know that within few years the industry is going to glow back, and people will invest, will make their returns, and we, the players, will also make enough for ourselves. Yeah. Okay,
talking about the Julo movie, I've seen it all across social media. What inspired that movie? What does it entail?
Well, the story started from my own brother, Jeffrey Norte. He sent me a short line. And then he said, Charlie, let's do a 1-minute short film. I was like, okay, it's a skit, let's do it. So he sent it to me, and I wrote some part of it. I sent it to him. He also wrote some part. He sent it to me. I watched it. I said, okay, I wrote some part. I sent it to him. So we're just writing lines, and it was just on WhatsApp. Then we're doing. And then at a point, I was like, Jeffrey, let's do this a full movie. I said, oh, you go chair. I said, no, let's do this a full movie. I took it. I wrote a script. So I wrote a script for July.
Wow, really? So a script writer as well?
Yeah, I'm a script writer as well.
Oh,
I am C2 as well. Okay. So I wrote a story, and the story is just a one house, one night, one costume. Everything happened from like 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. So that's the story, and then we came up with July. God has been good. We've been slow, but we've been okay. It's been a year since we shot it, and we are hopeful that when it comes out, it's going to be a boom. It's going to shake places. People are going to be amazed at the performances. People are going to be amazed at the turnout and everything. And I'm just hopeful that things are going to be fine.
There's how many cast movies?
Well, it's 3 major cast. Me, myself, Anthony Wood, Jeffrey Norte, Sicho Fair, who are the 3 major characters. We have other actors, Benafat, we have Max Bell, we have Destina Tata. We have people in it. Yeah, so it's just 7 cast, 1 house, 1 night.
Who produced it?
It was produced by Edo House Production.
Edo House Production.
Yes, Edo House Production.
So when is it set to premiere?
It's set to premiere on the 19th of October 2019.
Oh, that's not far from.
That's not far, man. That's not far. It's gonna be an amazing one, Charlie. You have to be there. Of
course, OdarteyGH will be there. I'll be there myself to support.
30 Ghana cedis. Just come, buy your ticket, and watch it. Enjoy. Be in a cinema, watch a movie that will make you laugh. Classic comedy. Come on, your numbers and support.
Wow, that's great. So, still in the movie industry, which other projects do you have in line or in stock coming in the industry?
Yes, I have a production that I did with one director, Gila. He produced my very Ghanaian wedding. There's a new production he is doing. The name has been withheld because of publicity stuff. So the name has been withheld. So, but there's just that movie is an amazing one, and I did amazingly well. I love my character. I played it to my perfection. Well, you're not always perfect, but I felt I gave it my best, and I'm hopeful for it to come out. And there's another movie that's supposed to be premiered in November, The Cell. I forgot to say The Cell. I did it with Jasmine Barundi. It's a very amazing one. It's just major two characters, me and her. And in that movie, I want people to come out to watch too, because it's an amazing actor. It's a different me again, as in a different character, as in a psychopath in a jovial way. So a psychopath and like a comedy something. You understand what I'm saying? So there's stuff coming out.
Wow, viewers, Anthony Wood is really working, and I'm really impressed because we all have we all know and also have the notion that the movie industry is dead, but it seems that upcoming actors and actresses are really putting a lot in place to revive the industry. Okay, talking about that, what are you personally doing? Also, your colleagues in this movie. I'm talking about people in your age bracket, because you guys are the next generation of actors. Because trust me or believe you me, the earliest actors like John Dumelo, Majid, Jackie Appiah, they are already fading out of the system. Although it's like they still have the name and what have you. But trust me, in the next 5 years or even less than that, you guys are going to take over, or actually even taking over. What are you guys doing or putting in place such that this whole the industry that thing will be eradicated from the system?
Well, before I talk, I would like to say whatever you said, that in the next few years we take over. I say hallelujah, amen to that. One day I'm going to do an acting exhibition where we'll have like an acting workshop where I'll have actors coming and we doing a practice, which is something that is going to be doing. I'll be doing like twice in a month for upcoming actors. But I want to be able to move forward a bit and then do that. But for now, when anybody comes to me, what I tell them is to practice. I give them some tidbits. I tell them to go to YouTube. I send them some links. I send them some monologues. I tell them keep trying, because I'm still trying myself. When you go on my social media handle page, I have videos of monologues that I do. I'm still practicing. I'm still preparing myself, because you can't say I'm okay now. You keep getting challenging roles, so I need to practice, keep practicing. That's how you get better. So I keep telling them to practice. So that is, and I feel that is the little I can do now, but I'm hopeful to do more in the near future.
Okay, that's very impressive. I'm really impressed, and it's been nice having you here on OdarteyGH TV. Especially on your birthday, I'm glad to actually host you at the Holy Trinity Spa. But before you go, your final words to your fans, and also anybody watching us live on YouTube or on our channel, we are the Holy Trinity Spa. What do you have to tell them about this place? If what they are missing actually here.
Well, first and foremost, I would like to talk about here, then I'll give you my last words. This is a beautiful place. Holy Trinity Spa is a beautiful place. If you've not been here before, make sure you find time to come around. You know, it's not expensive to be here. It is affordable to everybody. Everybody can afford it. So just find time in a weekend with a loved one. Come here, spend time. There are a lot of things for you to do. Come here is an amazing experience. And also, once again, my name is Anthony Wood, and if you're watching me now, I just want to tell you that whatever you are doing, make sure that you continue to practice, you continue to pray, and then you push. So it's 3 P's. That's why I keep telling everybody. You practice, you pray, and you push. And when I say push, make sure you create the links, make sure you meet people who can push you to where you have to be. My name is Anthony Wood. You can follow me on Instagram at Anthony Wood1 and on Facebook, Anthony Wood. Thank you.
Alright, so viewers, this has been another exciting edition actually of hangouts live at the Holy Trinity Spa, and it's always been me, OdarteyGH. So I'll see you in the next video. It's bye for now.